In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct pronunciation in ElevenLabs, an easy fix to ensure that your text-to-speech experience is as smooth and accurate as possible. Whether you're new to ElevenLabs or a regular user, these tips should help you refine and perfect your audio projects. First, let me mention that if you haven't signed up for ElevenLabs yet, you can support us by using our affiliate link provided below. It's a great way to get started, and we truly appreciate your support. Now, let's dive into the pronunciation adjustment process. As we know, achieving accurate pronunciation is crucial, especially if you're creating content that demands clarity and precision. Occasionally, you may notice that certain words or names are not pronounced exactly as you expected. That's a common issue, but luckily, there are straightforward ways to resolve it. Start by simply regenerating the speech. Sometimes, the solution is as easy as that. The initial render might not hit the mark due to subtle variations or glitches, but a fresh attempt can often clear those up, giving you the pronunciation that aligns perfectly with your needs. If regenerating the speech doesn't quite address the issue, the next step is to consider rewording your text. The structure of your sentence or the choice of words can sometimes affect how the AI interprets the required pronunciation. Also, double-check the spelling. A minor typo or a difference in dialect spelling can significantly influence how a word is spoken. Ensure that each word is spelled the way you want it to be pronounced. This method often helps get the AI back on track. However, if you still encounter problems with pronunciation, you might want to explore switching to a different voice. In some cases, the voice you initially chose may not be optimized for the specific language or dialect you're working with. Each voice has particular strengths and capabilities, and experimenting a little with different options could yield much better results. It might take a bit of trial and error, but finding a voice that naturally aligns with your desired language can make a significant difference. Ultimately, that's the process. SSS. Regenerating speech, rewording text, and switching voices are practical ways to ensure that your projects in ElevenLabs come out sounding just right. Remember, a little patience and experimentation can go a long way toward achieving perfection in pronunciation. Thank you for watching. By applying these tips, I hope you'll find it easier to get the pronunciation results you're looking for. Don't forget to check out our affiliate link if you're considering signing up, which helps support our channel. Happy creating, and until next time, take care.